Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void. Previously, I was using Pure Data Vanilla. Going forward, I will be using puredata. Reason for the switch is that Pure Data, I can zoom in at a pretty good size for screen capturing, so viewers can actually read and see the visual code more clearly. Ensure that DSP is turned on. Later on, we will be able to hear the sounds coming out of Pure Data. I want to hear sounds in Pure Data right now. The simplest and best way to do this is using the object OSC tilde or phasor tilde. These objects are also known as oscillators. Firstly, let's start with the OSC tilde object. The OSC tilde object is a cosine oscillator. Now let's add the DAC tilde object. This is also known as the audio output, also called the digital analog converter. Let's now add messages with different values. 500, 600, 400, 200. Let's connect all the messages to OSC tilde. Let's play the sound by clicking on the messages. Let's now replace the OSC tilde text with the phasor tilde text. The phasor tilde object is also known as a sawtooth oscillator. The left inlet on DAC is the left side of the audio track, meaning you will hear it on the left ear. The right inlet on the DAC is the right side of the audio track, meaning you will hear it on the right ear. When the connections on the DAC are both connected, you will hear a stereo track, as seen earlier in the video. Thanks for watching!